This is Larry. Larry runs a foundry, and he has a problem. He just received a big order for castings that are needed right away, but it's going to take several weeks to get the tooling made to start the project. Larry wondered, is there a way to get the project started while waiting for the tooling to be done? That's when he turned to his friends at Humtown. With Humtown's dual pass solution, Larry's order could get started at Humtown Additive using their 3D printing operations to produce toolingless sand cores and molds. Then, once the tooling was completed, Humtown's conventional operations could take over to finish the job, on time and on budget. Larry was thrilled with the dual pass solution, and so was his customer, because they received their casting when they needed it. In fact, the customer came back with an even bigger order, and Humtown was able to use both conventional manufacturing and 3D printing at the same time to meet an even tighter deadline. Larry now uses Humtown's dual pass solution often, as it combines the time savings of toolingless additive manufacturing with the cost effectiveness of conventional manufacturing. So be like Larry. Contact us if you think our dual path solution is something you could use in your casting operations.